with everything on it.
And you're using first and second gear most of the time. Yeah. On a good day.
Good morning, Don.
On a good day. He was working it. And he was trying to find a track. It got worse on the last one. I mean, it was bad.
I bet it was.
This is our guy, Chrissy. Say, hey, Chrissy. This is going to be on YouTube.
Oh, no.
Good morning. How y'all doing?
Your name?
Jerry.
Jerry?
And George.
Hey, George from Lake Placid.
You got it. Hey, Jim, turn around and get your picture too.
Hey, Jim. There's Chuck getting his snowmobile ready. And he's getting my snow. Hey, go big.
Glasses and let me see. Show me your snowmobile. Boom, 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 boom. What do we have here? We have Hell on skis.
That's why I was able to see everybody back.
You couldn't see the sides of the road. All you could see was the little things sticking out.
Well, that's
Here's our snow leopard of the group.
Hi!
And what's your name?
Sheila Harwell from Lake Placid, Florida.
Woo! And here?
Hello, Debbie Stanhope from Phoenix.
All right.
She's my sister-in-law.
Yep.
That'll be cool. And there's Chrissy, our fearless guide. Don Adams. Double.
Get smart thing.
Get smart.
Agent 99.
His wife Susan. Agent 99.
Yeah, 89. Agent 89, I believe.
Oh, 89.
Am I 99?
Was she 99 or 89?
Were you 89?
No, he was Agent 86.
86. Well, I'm 99. Okay, so I'm 99.
I'm Jim Harwell. I'm from South Florida.
Hey, Jim.
I'm here with my brother and some friends.
All right.
She got me, but she didn't get you, George.
I think she did, but
Yeah.
George from Lake Placid, Florida.
Yeah. Hold it. Hold. Hi. This is a movie, so state your name and where you're from.
Kim Hopwood from Brentwood, California.
All right, Kim.
Jerry Dilking from California.
All right, Jerry.
We're ready to go.
We're ready to go.
All right.
Oh, happy Yellowstone.
State your name and where you're from.
Matt Hopwood, Brentwood, California.
All right, Matt. You'll never recognize this person.
When they came on, I've seen them kind of split a few times, and it looks like there's two of them following each other.
Wolf tracks.
Anything you really grow, you're going to have the white.
That's the warming hut at, where are we at? Fishing Bridge warming hut.
Yeah.